Hey everyone, so I've pulled a card for you all out there today asking what you need to do to, what you need to focus on to come into alignment with what you're manifesting at the moment. And the World card came through. And this is about focusing on that the world is at your feet. You can have anything you want. You just need to open your arms, open your heart, focus on what it is that you want. And know that you have the power. The past is in the past, right? And now you're focusing on what you want. And so to bring those manifestations in, you need to focus on them. Focus on what they will make you feel, what they will look like, all those kinds of things. And, like I said, the world is literally at your feet. There's a world of opportunity out there. You can have whatever you want. Your job is just to focus on what you want and, open that, like I said, open that heart chakra, open those arms, have fun. You're in control. What do you want? Let me know in the comments. What are you manifesting so we can put it out there and put some energy towards it. If you're liking the readings, make sure you like the video, subscribe and hit the bell notification so you're notified of upcoming readings and videos that I do. And I'll see you all soon. Bye.